How to fix TikTok upload problem. Welcome back guys to this new short tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to fix uploading problem easily and fast. So if you have this issue, this video is gonna help you a lot. So first thing, you have to go to the settings, go to the wireless ad networks, and then go to the airplane mode, enable it, and then wait 5 seconds and disable it again. Now you have to go to the Wi-Fi and do the same thing, just disable it and enable it again. Now you have to go back into the settings on your phone, open the apps manager like this. Now you have to go into the TikTok, and now right here on this page you will find the app informations. Click on this force stop right here and then go to the data usage and disable the Wi-Fi and the mobile data and enable them back again. That's it guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the end.